easy, boo. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. It is your girl Jazz. As you can already tell by the title, I am doing a maintenance vlog. So I already did my hair. It came out pretty cute. I do have to go to work today at 4. And right now it's 2:35. I want to get to these eyebrows because I'm looking a hot mess. And I'm just like, I'm tired. I done put them off long enough. We are going to go to Past Jazz so you can basically see how I did my hair. Because this is, you know, I mean, this is the finished product, but let's get into it. Okay, my brows are all done. Honestly, you guys, I don't know. Like, I'm trying to go back to like my old brows where they were kind of thick, just shaped nicely. I don't know. Maybe I need to go see someone and see how I need to do them. I really just tried to clean them up more than anything because they needed it bad. I think I want to try some type of lamination thing for my brows because like they're gnarly. They're just all over the place. Like I can brush them and brush them and brush them and I feel like they just go back the way they are. So maybe a good little lamination to get them all sleek and things will turn out nicely. But these are it. Oh, I hate when the gel gets dry and it looks all funny on my edges, but yeah. But yeah, but that's all I am going to be doing today. I'm off tomorrow, so I'll be able to get into these nails, get into these feet. I don't know if I'm gonna record my feet. I kind of want to go get them done. I'm still considering because today is Friday. I know Saturday a lot of people be in there, but I'm just going with emotions. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when I figure out what I'm going to do. So I just finished eating. That acai bowl was so good. I haven't had one in a long time, and it was I just finished my daughter's hair as well. I did a cute little quick little style on her. So now I can get into my nails because my hair's been making a hot mess and I just can't. I can't take it. So let's get into it. Inside your heart, is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on my knee because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was me out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even love. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are real.
shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he in me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do. He doesn't see her. You're not making me boy. The boys are real. The boys are real. He doesn't see her. You're not making me boy.
Okay, it's another day. I did have to take off my nails for something, so my nails aren't done. So if you know, just saw me do my nails and I don't have any nails, something came up. But I was like, probably at the end of this, when I want to like get cute and we're gonna go somewhere or something like that, I'll do like a cute little press on and just let that be that. I don't want to actually go through the entire process and do my nails over again because I have to wash my daughter's hair soon, and I hate doing like, I can't really do hair with nails on. But right now we are about to wax. Your girl got a wax. I'm gonna show y'all something. Don't be shady. Don't be messy. I'm a woman. Hair is hair. But we're shaving the armpits. Ooh, good and peasy. My goodness. Danger. Danger. Danger alert. Come on, y'all. I don't like it. I don't care. I really don't. Like the women that be like, you know, hair is natural and, you know, it's supposed to be on your body and you have to embrace it. I cannot. I can't. Very hot right now. I'm going to tell you, it's definitely not ready. You see how quick it's falling? You want it to be thick like honey. This is not like honey. It may appear somewhat like it, but it's not. It's supposed to be thick, like it's supposed to take its time dripping. This is not. So I'm only doing my armpits. I did buy more wax, but I realized I don't have time trying to film waxing the hootie when honestly, truly, I don't want to. 9 times out of 10, this time my boyfriend is gonna help me. He's helped me before. I've always kind of done it myself. My very, very first time waxing, I did it myself. It took a very long time, but I did do it. I am going to put some powder down. It's my little dusting thing. Y'all haven't been on TikTok. Y'all, you know, we brought it back because I remember doing this when I was young. Like, this is something that's been in the household, you know, for my mom, my grandmother. It's that season where, you know, you just gotta go back to your roots. Start doing the things that you used to do. Like, it's, you know, and I love doing it. My placement for it is like armpits, sometimes just the top, nowhere else of the hoodie. Or if I don't do the top of the hoodie, I'll do like the bikini line. Some people do it in between their chests. I know a lot of women who have like a juicier chest, you know, in between the legs to prevent chafing and whatnot. I don't have a juicy chest, but I'm also breastfeeding, so I don't really have to. And where else has I seen people put it? I've also seen people put it like on their butt, like they would do a baby. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's just go ahead and get into this wax because it's long overdue.
Straight up, right?
Don't pull that way, pull upwards.
Take a deep breath.
Are done. I'm gonna do some oil under, but I do want to do one more cleanup strip. But the pants are done. I don't have to worry about it till next month. The growth has like slowed down, and what you just saw was months worth of hair growth. Had I stayed consistent, it wouldn't have been that bad. Now you can only imagine the problem I'm gonna have later with my pocketbook. But as long as these are good to go, I'm happy because I am still currently trying to lighten my armpits. I don't know, maybe this lighting is not doing me justice because I don't know. They don't look that dark as they're showing up on camera, but then again, hey. Yeah, and I also did my toes. I did that off camera because honestly, I didn't feel like filming my toes. They looked a hot mess. And mama has to catch her time when she catches her time, and my camera was dead. So yeah, but I will come back to y'all to do my lashes. I'm gonna do some lash extensions. Yes, pretty cute, huh? I've been trying to find good ones that don't really like harm you, if that makes sense. Okay, so it does come with instructions. It does tell you to Papa, you could have stayed asleep. Mommy just wanted to do something for herself. Yeah. So let me go ahead and map out everything, and then I'll come back to y'all once I have the bond on and it's ready to apply. So lashes are done. Oh yeah, and let me show you guys my nails. Come on, focus, baby, focus. Ooh, dry hands, but love a white French tip. I be trying to like venture out, but sometimes when I go back to the white, I feel like it just makes me feel a little more dainty. But yeah, let's get into this makeup. This time we'll take it slow. Go figure, you are the trigger. You brought me to an abstracted view. When you know the picture was bigger, we were beginning. But from the beginning, you ruin everything, every time. You are no friend of mine, motherfucker right. Motherfucking right, I'm bitter. You motherfucking right, I'm triggered. You motherfucking right, I'm tryna let the time fly. Tryna let the time go by. Tryna let the time heal all. Tryna let the time kill all of our memories. All you meant to me. All that history. All that's history. I'll calm down eventually. Calm down. Calm down eventually. Calm Why didn't anyone tell me that the NYX the buttermilk collection smells so good? Oh my gosh, it smells delicious, like literally. Babe, I just want to do my makeup. Oh, look at that, that's so pretty. Okay, you guys, and that is it for today's vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. I'm trying to be very quiet because my baby is finally, yeah, it didn't go, of course it never does, it never goes the way I expect it to go, but once I am in a better position where I'm able to actually do these things more, I will. Like, you know, being a full-time mom, I gotta get it where I can get it when I can get it, okay? But yeah, it's just, this is a soft beat. This is not heavyweight beat. This is a soft beat, but I did it. Nails cute, toes done, everything that I needed to get done is done. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Be easy, boo.